How to wipe cache partition on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. First, let's turn off the device. So swipe down at the top with 2 fingers and then tap on the power button. From the power menu, tap on power off, then tap on power off. Next, once the phone has been switched off, you want to plug your phone into a computer using the USB-C cable. So make sure you turn on your computer. It can be a Windows computer or a Mac computer. Now wait for the charging information to display on the screen. After that, you can press and hold on the side button plus the volume up key. So press on both keys at the same time. So let's do it now. Press and hold on both keys. Now press and hold, then press and hold, continue to hold until you see the Android recovery menu. Now let's go off the buttons. After that, we're going to use the volume down key. So press on the volume down key to go to the next menu item and then go down to wipe cache partition. Okay, so once you see wipe cache partition, you can press on the side button to select that. And then here it says, do you want to do this? Yes or no? We're going to press on the volume down key and select yes. Then press on the power button. And that's it. Now it is wiping cache. Wiping cache is complete. And then now press on the power button to reboot the system now. And that's it. That is how you can wipe cache partition on the Samsung Galaxy on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.